All right, so here's a look at this WAHL shaver. Now this is gonna be perfect for anyone that's trying to clean up their beard, or if you have a shorter haircut, this is great for lining up your hairline, working around the ears, cleaning up the back of your neck. Honestly, you can kind of use this all over your body. I kind of use it just to shave my chest or stomach area. And this is perfect for that because it's going to come with all these different guards. So there's different size guards on here, but the best one is this one right here, which is going to have an adjustment on it. So you can just click this. It's going to make it taller or shorter, and this is going to help because you don't need to take each one of these with you. You could just go ahead and utilize this one up and down, which makes it a little bit easier. They do give a little bit different of a shave, so you can see that these are pointed, and then this one is a little bit more rounded. So depends kind of on what kind of haircut that you're going to actually be doing. Now it's also going to come with these other attachments, which you can see this small one right here. This could be perfect for maybe your unibrow, inside of your ears, and this one is going to be great for nose hair. So I kind of like utilize these for different parts of the body, but majority of the time I'm using this for my beard. It's also going to come with this little comb as well, so if you kind of do some detailed stuff here, maybe on your beard line, then you can utilize the little comb that comes with it. And it's also going to come with a carrying case, which is great when you're traveling. You can just throw everything in here, bring it with you when you travel, and you don't have to have all these parts separated. Let me go ahead and turn it on. I'll show you what it sounds like, what it kind of looks like. You can see that it's got the blue logo on there. Down here at the bottom, this is where you're going to be charging it, and it'll come with a charger, which is USB. So you just plug this in here, and the other side is going to be USB, which makes it really easy to plug in anywhere. You could just plug it into like an iPhone charging block. These pieces pop out, so if you do utilize this and you get hair in here, you can easily just pop this out and clean it. You don't have to clean it while it's actually on the base. I also really like the heavy feel to it. You can see that it's kind of like a metal material, and it just has like a nice weight to it. So when you're utilizing it, different from a plastic shaver, I feel like this just has a nice weight to it and makes it really easy to clean everything up. So if you're looking for a really good shaver, maybe for your face or all over your body, that has a bunch of different guard options, plus it's got the nose trimmer and the ear trimmer, then I would definitely recommend picking this one up by WAHL and trying it out.